It feels really fluffy and really nice. Hi, I'm Gigi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk to you about two treatments that I really like from Ouai. I was very pleasantly surprised, honestly. I was not expecting them to be so nice, but they really are. They have two types. It specifies, so it's like for fine to medium, and then for like thick hair, which is coarse hair. These two, I tried them. You know how if you see my previous videos, I tried the coarse, like the one for thick hair, on fine medium and vice versa. And I felt that they worked really nice. Now, if you have really thin fine hair, I would probably not go with the thick hair. But if your hair is medium and it's long and it's really, you feel it really dry and brittle, I would definitely go with the thick if they don't have the fine medium, and you will be fine. Like, you won't have a problem with the weight or leaving it too soft or that it doesn't have any volume. They left the hair very shiny. I tried it on all types of texture and different circumstances, and it worked really well. In curly hair, it was also really nice. The curl, it would look really defined. My customer that I tried it on was very pleased by it. Obviously, it's like any other treatment. The more that you use it, the more consistent that you are, better results you're gonna see throughout. But it left the hair shiny, bouncy. It left it really nice, like soft, but it felt strong. It was really enjoyable to use. It even felt nice in my hands, which I also pay attention to that when I try treatments. I like to make sure that they also feel nice on the skin. They both have the same scent, and the consistency is very nice. Let me show it. It's like a good in between. It's not too watery of a treatment, and it's not too thick, too heavy, that you feel that it doesn't actually penetrate the hair and that it just lays on top of the hair. Not at all. It feels really fluffy and really nice. It's just nice, fresh, sweet. It's not strong. It doesn't carry throughout the day. It's just very pleasant. So they both have the same scent, and they both gave me the same result. If you have a lot of product in your hair, make sure you shampoo twice, and then you rinse the shampoo well, so that way you can go ahead and apply the product. You remove all the excess water. It doesn't have to be dry, but that you towel blot your hair before you apply the conditioner, because you want to maximize the treatment on your hair, and that's not gonna happen if your hair is dripping with water. I left it 20 minutes under the dryer with a baggie. If you don't have a dryer at home, it's okay. Just with your body heat, the product tends to work really well. So I want to go ahead and let you know that for this product, I definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think once you try it. Remember to, leave me any comments, and if there's any other products that you would like for me to try, I would be so happy to do so. And remember to like and subscribe, and that healthy hair is shiny hair. Take care. Ciao.